What's in a tuna fish sandwich? Hello, this is Reinhard von Hennigs. And the obvious answer should be tuna fish, because otherwise, why would somebody call a tuna fish sandwich a tuna fish sandwich? However, market analysts and food watchers are under the suspicion that Subway Group sells tuna fish sandwiches which are not identified as having any tuna fish ingredients. Independent research done in the Los Angeles area with multiple Subway franchises tried to identify whether there's any DNA associated with this specific fish species in their tuna fish sandwiches, and the answer was no, which could lead to two different conclusions. Number one, there is something else in the sandwich, or number two, the processing of the fish altered something so much that labs cannot identify it anymore. Both scenarios are somewhere scary to me as a consumer, and the lawyer's brain in me wonders whether we have now a whole area of food litigation to come. Mind you, over the past years, I always talked about that the new norm would be that we enter into a food litigation, into a food labeling, into a food disclaimer. There are way too many allergies out, which could be concerning for some consumers if they do get food which has some weird ingredients in it. But by the same token, it boils down to consumer clarity and the informed consumer. How can you buy a sandwich when the advertised content is not what it is in reality? Liability is written all over, and whether or not there is tuna fish in may only be solved in litigation, and maybe then, we don't know, as this case may get settled, as so many other cases get settled in the meantime. My quick takeaway as an advisor in the business world is, if you sell a product, label it and make sure that whatever you label it with is also inside the product. Nothing more, nothing less. The label should speak for itself.